go Summer? Alan or Craig?
Craig, Alan or Craig?
Alan. Why would you like Craig?
It's Craig. He dressed up as the Joker, and he has his own apartment.
So, okay, first of all, Alan has an army hat. Okay, that just beats him Craig out of the picture. Alan gets all the ladies. He's definitely hotter. What else? He has his own fake hickey. I mean, who else can do that you know?
No, but Craig and Alan both draw on abs. And Craig knows how to get a lady from Lars.
From Lars? Well, Craig...
With his Donald Duck bathing suit.
First of all, Craig throws up when he talks to girls, okay? Alan just messes up. That's not as bad as Craig throwing up. And Alan was a guy on Twilight. I mean...
Craig was on Twilight too, and Craig was the one that went to LA to look to be on Twilight.
You know what?
No. I'm done. This is over with.
Okay.
I'm leaving you.
Alan completely
I'm
beats
leaving
Craig
you.
out of the picture. You can go, Summer.
I'm leaving.
Because Alan's gonna win, okay? It's Alan.
Start with straight shots and then pop bottles.
Yeah.
Flirt with